Welcome to all of you. In this video, we will know about how to convert a passive voice sentence into active voice. So we know that there are only 8 tenses to be changed into passive voice. So how many steps are there? There are only 3 steps to change a passive voice sentence into active voice. 3 steps are very easy. First is identify the subject and object. Second is exchange it. Third is remove preposition by, and then use the main form of the verb as per the requirement of the tense, and you have to identify the tenses. Now for identify the tenses, here are some points, some main parts. As I have told you earlier that there are only 8 tenses in passive voice. So first let us know that which are 8 tenses are there. So first is simple present, simple past, simple future, 3. Then present continuous and past continuous, these 2 means 5. Then 3 again, present perfect, past perfect and past perfect, sorry, future perfect. So these are the 3, total 8 tenses are there. So let us know about how to change uh, all these 3 forms of the perfect tenses, means all the present perfect tense, sentences of the past perfect tense and sentences of the future perfect tense. So if the sentence is a letter has been written by you, if the sentence is like this, a letter has been written by you, or sentence is a letter had been written by you, or the sentence is a letter will have been written by you. So how to convert it? So just follow all the 3 steps. First, what I said that you are supposed to identify the subject and object. We have identified that a letter is a object, and you is the subject. So we will reverse it, and the sentence will be you and dash 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 and a letter, and then we are supposed to remove by, we have removed. Then next step is that if all the sentences are there with has been, have been and will have been and shall have been, so we are supposed to remove the been, and we will use the same has, have, had or will have, shall have as per the requirement of the subject. Suppose in this sentence we have exchanged the subject with the object, and sentence is a letter, sorry, you dash 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 a letter. So you, a letter has been. So now the sentence will you have, you have. Then the again, we know that in the all the perfect tenses we are supposed to use the third form of the verb, so we will use the same, written. So the sentence will be you have written a letter. This will be the correct answer. If the sentence was, if the sentence was uh, a letter had been written by you, so answer will be you had written a letter. If the sentence is a letter will have been written by you, so answer will be you will have written a letter. You will have written a letter. And if the sentences are in negative way, means negative sentences are there, and then so if the sentence is a letter has not been written by you, then answer will be you have not written a letter. And if the sentence is in interrogative, then suppose the sentence is why has a letter been written by you, so answer will be why have you written a letter. So this will be the answers. So you have to take you have to fix it in your mind. Then if the in the sentence there is has been, have been and had been and will have been, shall have been, then what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to remove the been and then use the third form of the main verb. So all the 3 tenses of the present, past and future perfect tenses we have studied. Now how many left? 5. And in 5 the next one is the continuous tenses. 2 are there from the continuous. So if the sentence in the sentence is a letter is being written by you, or the sentence is a letter was being written by you, means if there is am are plus being in the sentence, or if in the sentence there is was, were plus being, so what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to remove being, you are supposed to remove being, and then you are supposed to add ing form in the main form of the verb. So if the sentence is a letter is being written by you, so answer will be you are writing a letter. The rest will be the same, means is am are will be used. If was were is there in the sentence, as we will use the same as per the requirement of the subject. Means if the sentence is a letter is being written by you, answer will be you are writing a letter. If the sentence is a letter was being written by you, so answer will be you were writing a letter. And if the sentence is in negative way, so answer will be a letter was not written by you, was not being written by you, so answer will be you were not writing a letter. And if the sentence is in interrogative sentence is there, then if the sentence is why is a letter being written by you, so answer will be why were you writing a letter. If this is an interrogative. Okay, so this is about the continuous tenses. 2 we have studied, now the 3 are left only. So for what we are supposed to do if the sentence is in the is am are or was were or will be shall be. So what we are supposed to do, if there is am are without being, remember this, without being, if there is not being, only is am are is there, so what you are supposed to do, you are to use the main form of the verb with s or es. If the sentence is a letter is written by me, or sentence is a letter is written by you, so answer will be I write, you write a letter. If the sentence was a letter is written by her, so answer will be she writes a letter. Getting my point? Means you are supposed to use first form of the verb and you are supposed to use s or es. And if the sentence is in negative, does not or do not. And if the interrogative, then the question word does not or do not again. Means you basically you are supposed to use first form of the verb with do, does or s or es if the is am are is there in the sentence. And if there is was were in the sentence, like a letter was written by you, or the sentence letters were written by you, so what will be the answer? Answer will be you wrote a letter. If means verbs second form in positive sentence, and did plus verb first form, or did plus question words with was first form. So this is we are supposed to use. Again I am giving the example, a letter was not written by you, so answer will be you did not write a letter. And if the sentence is in positive way, simple sentence, a letter was written by you, so answer will be you wrote a letter. And if the sentence in interrogative, you why was a letter written by you, so answer will be why did you write a letter. Okay, now the next is future, simple future. So if in the sentence there is a letter will be written by you, a letter will be written by her, me, so answer will be you. We are supposed to remove be and we are supposed to use verbs first form only. If the sentence is a letter will be written by you, so answer will be you will write a letter. And if the sentence is a letter will not be written by you, so answer will be you will not write a letter. And if the sentence is why will a letter be written by you, so answer will be why will you write a letter. So in this way total 8 tenses are there which we are supposed to use. Again I am repeating, for perfect tenses we are supposed to remove been and use main for third form of the main verb. And for the being kind of sentence, the sentence is am are was were plus being, then what we are supposed to remove being and add ing form, main form ing. And then again if only is am are, only was were and there in the sentence, then we are supposed to use with is am are verbs first form, do, does or s or es. And if there is was were, then we are supposed to use verbs second form and Verbs first form if the second tense is negative, and interrogative verbs of first form again with did. And again last one is simple future. So for it we are supposed to remove, again we are supposed to remove be and then use shall and will with verbs first form, as we were using in the as same rules are there which we were in the tenses, which we have studied in the tenses. So if the tenses are not clear, you will not be able to understand how to convert passive to active. Okay, so this is all about for the revision. God bless you all the best. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, please subscribe and share the video. God bless you once again.